Imagine waking up one day, only to realize that artificial intelligence has taken over everything at your job, your home, your freedom. Governments are controlled by AI, robots make every decision, and humanity is no longer in charge. Sounds like science fiction, right? But what if I told you at Broken Bar we might already be heading in that direction? For years, artificial intelligence has been advancing at an unprecedented rate. From self-learning robots to AI-powered weapons, we are witnessing a technological revolution. But is this revolution leading us toward a brighter future or a dystopian nightmare? Some of the world's greatest minds, including Elon Musk and Stephen Hawking, have warned us about the potential dangers of AI. But are we listening? Or are we unknowingly creating our own destruction? Stay with us as we uncover the terrifying reality of AI and what could happen if it spirals out of control. The rise of superintelligent AI. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a tool for automation. It is learning, adapting, and evolving at a speed we never anticipated. We now have AI models that can write books, compose music, create deepfake videos, and even predict the stock market. But what happens when AI becomes so advanced that it surpasses human intelligence? Experts call this moment the singularity, the point where AI no longer needs humans to improve itself. It will continue evolving on its own, making decisions without us. And once AI becomes smarter than us, we may lose control forever. Elon Musk has repeatedly warned, with artificial intelligence, we are summoning the demon. If we are not careful, it will outsmart us before we even realize what's happening. Could this be the beginning of the end? AI in the military and new kind of warfare. If you think AI is only about chatbots and self-driving cars, think again. Governments worldwide are investing billions into autonomous weapons. AI-powered drones, robotic soldiers, and smart missiles are already being tested for warfare. These weapons can make decisions without human input. Imagine a battlefield where humans are no longer needed. AI could identify, target, and eliminate threats within seconds without questioning morality or ethics. The scary part? What if AI miscalculates? What if a machine decides that a group of civilians is a threat and launches an attack? The line between war and mass destruction is getting thinner every day. The job apocalypse, AI taking over the workforce. We often hear that AI will make life easier, but at what cost? Right now, millions of jobs are at risk as companies replace human workers with AI-driven machines. AI. Factories are using robotic arms instead of human labor. AI. Restaurants are hiring AI-powered chefs and waiters. AI. News organizations are replacing journalists with AI-written reports. Even Hollywood is under threat. AI can now write scripts, generate actors, and create entire movies without a single human involved. If AI keeps advancing, how many people will lose their livelihoods? What happens when there are no jobs left for humans? AI, the spread of misinformation. We've already seen how deepfake technology is being used to manipulate reality. AI can create fake news, forge political speeches, and spread propaganda faster than we can fact-check it. Imagine a world where you can't trust videos, photos, or even audio recordings because AI can generate completely fake events. Who controls the truth when AI can rewrite history at will? AI surveillance, loss of privacy. In China, AI-powered surveillance systems monitor every citizen. Facial recognition cameras track movements, social credit scores dictate privileges, and AI predicts crimes before they happen. But this isn't just China. AI surveillance is spreading across the world. Governments and corporations can track everything we do online, using AI to predict our behavior, control our choices, and manipulate our decisions. If AI is watching us every second of the day, do we really have freedom? Or are we becoming slaves to the very technology we created? The final warning: can AI be stopped? The biggest question remains, can we control AI before it's too late? Experts suggest 3 possible solutions. 1. IDRS's Cedilla AF pound regulation: governments must enforce strict laws on AI development. 2. IDRS's Cedilla AF pound ethical AI development: AI must be designed with fail-safes to prevent it from turning against humans. 3. IDRS's Cedilla AF pound human-AI collaboration: instead of replacing us, AI should work alongside humans, enhancing our abilities rather than surpassing them. IDRS's But will companies and governments listen? Or will they prioritize power over safety? The future of AI, hope or doom? As we move deeper into the age of AI, we must ask ourselves: are we using AI responsibly? Are we prepared for the risks it brings? What happens if AI surpasses human control? The future is uncertain. But one thing is clear: AI is not just a tool, it's a force that could shape the destiny of our world. Will AI be our greatest achievement, a broken bar, or our ultimate downfall? That decision, a broken bar, is still in our hands. What do you think about AI? Is it a danger to humanity, or can it be controlled? Comment below. FY negation. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep insights into the future of technology. See you in the next video. Stay curious. Stay informed.